I'm an AI automation. I build my business where I create website and automation and system for different businesses. Like I create a bunch of website and a bit automation for them. And I believe that I can be very help for you to create this system. So in fact, I actually did it for you in order to demonstrate what it looked like. So basically, what I did is I created a module using make.com that will look for the job on LinkedIn. And then as soon as you find the job, it's going to save the job, write the resume. If you already have a resume yourself, what it's going to do is going to use your resume and change the few fields that need to be changed to match the job description. Then it's going to write the cover letter, um, and then save the resume and the cover letter as a Google Doc, and then put it on an Excel sheet. So to make it simple, I can do a quick one for you. And this is something that you can do and have schedule. You don't really have to run it every day. It can be scheduled where you want on a regular basis. And you will have your Google Sheet where you have all those jobs posted, the job title, you know this. Yes, so you have the job title, the link to the job post, the company, the status, those information if they are available, the hiring manager, the LinkedIn profile, and the email, the cover letter that it created for you, and the resume. So basically, all those information are saved here, as you can see. Job resume for vice president, integrated marketing, brand strategy, at that company name. You create the cover letter, that resume for that position. You will save all of them right here for you. Again, like I said, I created this as a sample for you to show you that I can do this for you. So if you are interested, you can just contact me, send me a message, and I'll be happy to help you out.